We're going kayaking at the Bagni, to the Bagni something something.
It says right there. Regina Giovanna.
We're going kayaking at the Bagni Regina Giovanna. Oh, it is bright.
The tuna was a tuna factory for tuna conservation for making little tuna cans more than 50 years ago.
They just make tuna. I'm so motion sick. Can you see you? See all those? Those are all of our kayaks. Oh my god, these are slanted.
I know.
Oh god. Connor, I don't like this. That's the same view as going up that way. Basically. Look at him.
There's Amber down there somewhere. In an orange bathing suit. Waiting her turn for the stairs.
Stop.
I didn't mean to do that.
Oh.
I left it straightening myself out.
Oh.
Yo, while we wait,
Connor, I'm getting sick. Stop. Sorry.
We just went kayaking.
Look at the little kitty cats. That's fine. I'm really hungry. Alright, Connor and I are going out to go find me a little beach bag. It's like some photos of this dress that I was gifted by Eris Beverly Hills, and then also get dinner.
Everything's so dark in the background.
Turn the contrast back. Look how beautiful this is. And then over there, look at Mount Vesuvius, an active volcano. And then we kayaked from literally right here all the way there to that one place in the video. We ended up going to Furo 51, Furo, F-U-O-R-O 51. And I think we're gonna get this bruschetta. And I'm going to get the carbonara e tartufo because I love this. It's so hot outside. But I'll show you what the restaurant looks like. See? Perfect timing. Bruschetta, €15. Oh, good. Huh? Do that again. Come on.
Nothing beats the food back at home in America.
This is the bottle that we got. Le Lune del, wrong way, Vesuvio, wrong way, I want to read the other side. Le lune del Vesuvio. Genesta, Lecrum Christi del Vesuvio. Whatever all that says. Food is here. Ooh. I got my truffle pasta. And what did you get?
Some like cheese filled ravioli kind of things. I don't know.
I thought you got spaghetti.
No.
Okay.
It's like cheese filled something.
I want to do this, but I don't think Connor really cares.
You got the camera. You can leave it to me.
I think it's a cute little souvenir. And I can frame it and I can put it in our future house. Right?
Right. What I do?
So this is where we just got gelato, and then when you walk this way through this big door is where our Airbnb is. Our Airbnb is a total mess right now because we're leaving tomorrow to go to Pompeii, but it's such like a beautiful location because we can just walk right out and get ice cream whenever we want. When we were on the street of Sorrento, like the main street, we got a photo taken, like this old black and white portrait from this, and this is the guy's Instagram. Hopefully you guys can see it. If not, I can just always pop it up, you know?
Now it's some film print and we haven't looked at it yet. So we're going to give you the first look.
I like it. You were struggling to open your eyes.
Because they had me close them the whole time. There's this QR code for the Instagram as well.
Alright, we just took the train from Sorrento to Pompeii. We checked out of our Airbnb at 11 a.m. We woke up at 10:30. But now we are looking for the bus and...
Want to walk and talk?
Walk and talk? Yeah. Sorry. I thought my DJI was broken. I started freaking out. Alright, we're now checked into
Moxie.
the Moxie Hotel in Pompeii. We have 2 free nights via Marriott points. So we're like, why not just stay closer to Naples and stay in Pompeii? Look at that. Ooh. You think we can keep that pillow?
No.
Oh.
Pay for it. Gotta get adapters.
I have one, but that's it.
Oh, they have both. They have USB and USB-C here.
Nice. Dear Amber Little, it is a pleasure to welcome you to our hotel. We hope you enjoy your stay with us. However, please do not hesitate to contact our staff if you feel we can improve your stay. Kind regards, General Manager. Okay, changed my skirt because the other one was way too short. All right, ready? Alright, here's the entrance, but we are leaving. KFC. Remember when we were in Portugal and we ate almost everything from McDonald's? They had a fancy one though, but we didn't get to see it. Low-key, do you want to just do McDonald's? I just posted a story and Connor gets notifications. It tells you word for word what I post on my story. That's crazy.
Perfect timing.
Anyways, McDonald's! Okay, so I'm getting a souvenir for my friend Noah. And I think I'm going to get him Diary of a Wimpy Kid, but in Italian. I completely forgot that Jeff Kinney just keeps making these books. So I'm gonna get this. What? Invincible in Italian? No way. Oh, they have manga. Oh, that's so cool. Open it, open it, open it. What's the side? Is that Rex and Eve? Oh, it is. That's so cool. Clothes haul at the mall in Pompeii. They had these on sale for €30. Are they so cute? Okay, I can cover my thing right there. These would be perfect for the gym. Ready, ready? Oh yeah. Alright. These were €35. And I got a matching pink top. So I'll try that on. All pink. I don't know if I like the all pink. It matches. But it's very, both of them are very see-through.
I think
the pink top would look good with like my white Ubu shorts.
white shoes.
White shoes? I have them right behind you. Should I put them on? I'll put one on. And maybe like a white top instead. And then put this white top on my white Lulu shorts. Makes my butt look so good. What is that? Oh, it's the logo. Connor got new shoes. New shoes. Okay. And then I also got this top. I think it's so cute. Okay, from our hotel, it's a 40-minute walk to Pompeii Center. We're like probably 4 minutes into the walk.
Oh. Maybe I'll tell the camera and you at the same time. We're actually going to the Decathlon first, which is just a 20-minute walk, not towards our direction.
Very cool. We're going to Decathlon because Connor's on a mission to run up Vesuvius. Will I be joining him? No. There's an upstairs too, but Connor thought this was just a bike shop. I have no idea where we are. It has been 21 minutes since we left Decathlon, and we have how many more minutes, Connor?
17?
17 more minutes. Let's go. Look at that, there's a naked guy.
In front of the hotel.
See it?
Yeah.
Yo, he's got no feet.
He's floating.
If this was night in the museum, he would be screwed. We had a great point. So we looked at Uber, and it was like a 40 minute drive to get to like Pompeii Center from our hotel.
No, not 34 minutes.
Oh, my bad. Oh, it was a 30 to 40 minute walk, but it was like a 15-minute drive.
10.
It was a 10-minute drive from Moxie Hotel to Pompeii Center, and they were trying to charge $30. Charge €30.
Yeah.
Mind you, walking is
$35.
Mind you, walking is free. I feel like that one, you know that one emo of the dog going, do it, do it, do it. We're like basically here. Not really.
10 minutes.
Huh?
10 minutes.
No, absolutely not. That's so funny though. Hi, doggy. Okay, now we're at I Matti. We were recommended this place by like a souvenir shop place. It's all your back. Oh, right here. and cheese. Oh, we did order this before. Ooh.
I asked them if they could cut the pizza, and they were like, oh, do you want yours too to Connor? And he was like, yeah, sure. And he was like, oh, now they're gonna spit my pizza.
I thought that was so funny. What? Okay, so we left the restaurant, but I just turned on the DJI so I could show you these two red cars that are butt to butt. Connor was getting so upset that he couldn't find ice cream, and we just passed something. Thank you. Grazie.
You also said you didn't want to eat. What happened?
Oh, jokester. We've been walking for almost 20 minutes now. I saw a roach on the ground and I thought, well, it was a big bug and I thought it was dead. And I was like, Connor, look at this bug. And then it started freaking moving really fast and I started freaking out. I did not like that. But we're back at the mall and we're hoping that we can walk through it to get to our hotel. Okay, we're able to walk through, but look at the water over here. Moxie Hotel. I don't even want to show you guys the gym because bye, Connor. Okay, I'll show you guys the gym just because. I'm silly and forgot to charge my DJI, but Connor is literally, or was hiking Mount Vesuvius, and then he gave up because he didn't have water and it's way too hot. But I'm going to the pharmacy to get lip balm because my lips are cracked even though I have lip balm. And not only are they cracked, my skin is peeling. So this is great. Connor came back and we got Gino. It's like Italian McDonald's next to McDonald's. Good?
Alright.
Oh. I want everyone to know that the entire city of Pompeii smells like piss. And all the food that we've gotten.
Even Amber smells like piss.
I don't smell like piss. I just peed. I don't smell like piss though. But anyways, all the food that we've had in Italy, it's not good.
That's not true. Because tonight, I'm going to take you to the most magical place on earth. So we're going to go to McDonald's. And Amber,
Yeah.
you can get whatever you want. You can get the entire menu if you would like. As long as you're going to eat it.
All of the food that we've gotten in Italy has not been good. Besides McDonald's.
And
Because
then-
McDonald's is McDonald's.
And then we're going to go to Poland Bear. You're on your own there, so whatever you want to get, just have your card ready. Then we'll go back down to the tobacco store. And then you can choose any lighter you would like, and I'll buy that one, of course. And then we'll go right across the street to get some gelato. And I'll pay for that one.
So we're not going into the city center again today.
There's a city right behind us. The Maxi Mall.
I wonder if like the camera can hear me going click, 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 click. Ready? Probably, right?
Ready for your date to McDonald's?
Yeah, let's go to McDonald's.
Let's go.
Ready, Connor, ready? We're going to McDonald's. Ready, Connor, look. We're going to McDonald's. I got the Happy Meal just for the Hello Kitty. Look at it. You can get apple slices here, a pineapple slice, or a piece of cheese with your Happy Meal. This is the same guy that said, I don't want to take a bite of the Connor. Give me the marshmallow. Right there. That one. Actually, I don't even want it. It's just ass. You like it?
Strawberry marshmallow.
I don't like the strawberry part. I love strawberries, but not that one. So apparently down there is gonna be Miss Italia. It's like a regional finals, whatever, where they like advance to the next spot. But look how pretty this is. So I'm pretty sure like all the contestants are in our hotel because like those are all their like suitcases and stuff in there. And then when we walk in, I'm pretty sure they're probably gonna be in there or they're behind the stage. Who knows? Oh, there they are. Oh God, go right. That's so cool. But I guess there's like a lot of them. Oh my God. That's so cool.